trio of saving: less oil, energy, and space. High-capacity frying just got a whole lot less expensive. Less cost to fry, more profits for you. Frymaster's Conserving Fryer family has a brand new member. An oil-conserving fryer capable of large volume production of high sediment or freshly breaded or high water content foods that provides high volume production for both freezer to fryer and fresh breaded foods while providing an exceptional low total cost of ownership. The one thing most of us know about fried foods is that it's delicious, especially when it's prepared right. There's nothing like that crisp golden texture and irresistible taste. It's what customers crave. As an operator that produces a high volume of fried foods, your fryers are likely among the busiest pieces of equipment in the kitchen. If you're like most operators, your challenge is to achieve both a high degree of quality food along with a reasonable level of profitability. The most important consideration is what Frymaster calls your cost to fry. Shopping on price of equipment alone leads to short-term gain, long-term drain of resources, costs, quality, and consistency, not to mention service and replacement issues. Frymaster's award-winning 1814 gas and electric fryers have been specifically designed to help you better manage costs to fry by delivering savings in 3 important areas of your frying operation. First, applying oil-conserving technology we developed for our 30-pound fry pot, we redesigned the larger capacity fry pot. We optimized the size at 63 pounds for gas and 60 pounds for electric to create an 18 by 14 frying area. That's important because the fry pots accommodate 3 baskets of food. Compare that to a traditional 50-pound fryer installation, where you would need to use all of one fryer and half of another. Compared to the 60 to 63 pound in the 1814, you would need 75 pounds. More if the 4th basket in the 50-pound installation is not being used, to cook the same 3 baskets of food. The oil savings quickly add up. Not only does the configuration save oil, it saves space too. The more production you add, the more oil and space you save.
The real novelty of the 1814 fryer is that it accommodates 3 fry baskets in a 14-inch deep fryer. So relative to the standard 50-pound fryer, you get an additional 30% capacity, which means that I can use 2 of my 1814 fryers to do what we used to need 3 50-pound fryers to do. It saves space, increases capacity.
Not only is floor space at a premium, hood space is too, and ventilation systems can be expensive to run. Less space means with the 1814, savings start to multiply. But perhaps the most dramatic area of savings is found in energy. Up to 50% in energy savings can be realized. It's in this area that the 1814 really shines. Let's face it, energy is a big part of your overall cost to fry. Not only that, there is increased pressure on chains and independent operators to lower their environmental footprint. Both U.S. gas and electric models with Smart 4U lane controllers meet U.S. Energy Star guidelines and qualify for energy-saving rebates. The 1814 gas fryers have a thermo-tube heat transfer system, which uses 6-inch diameter tubes versus 4-inch diameter tubes to provide superior heat-to-oil transfer that saves energy, 50% over less efficient standard fryers, and extends oil life. Beyond the trio of saving, there's even evidence of thoughtful engineering and design with the 1814. Crumbs and sediment from the frying area are trapped where they do not carbonize and contaminate the oil or cling to fried foods. The bottom of the fry pots are sloped towards the front and are equipped with a large drain line, so crew members can quickly flush out sediment and filter the oil. We've developed battery configurations designed around the needs of operators that require a high-capacity solution, available as a single unit without built-in filtration, a double unit with built-in filtration, and finally our tri-fry configuration, where we've added a 50-pound pot fryer in the middle for even greater menu flexibility. the Tri-Fry can cook 8 twin baskets of food. Smart controls make it easy to provide consistent, great-tasting food. The Smart For You lane controller manages the cooking of up to 3 twin baskets at the same time. Cooking is a snap with the ability to select not only the product, but where it will cook. Lane 1, 2, or 3. The lane controller has 10 programmable product buttons, a 40 product library feature, melt cycle, boil out, hold times, and cook compensation. Cook times automatically adjust the load size. It is also fully programmable to make cooking push button simple. Just select the lane and the product to cook there. For those that prefer analog controls, they are also available. Footprint Pro Filtration puts filtration where it's most convenient to use, right within the fryer, eliminating the need for additional floor and storage space. The filtering process is fast and easy, encouraging frequent filtrations, a critical part of maximizing oil life. The filter has a powerful 8-gallon per minute pump to make filtering fast and efficient. And the 1814 has an optional hookup to bulk oil systems as well. Of course, you don't become one of the world's leading fryer brands without great service. frymaster's service is legendary, but it starts with a quality product built to exact specifications. Thoughtful design and reliable chain-proven components and systems. We make them easy to use, easy to maintain. Remember, your total cost to fry includes many factors. Profitability depends on managing them, lowering their cost with no sacrifice to capacity and quality. What you invest in a fryer up front will determine how successful this area of your menu performs for years to come. And if it's large volume production and high sediment frying performance you need, trust a leader. frymaster in the 1814. Less cost to fry, more profits for you.